Good morning. I've quite literally just woken up and rolled over and grabbed my camera. I'm in Australia right now because I'm touring for my book. Wow, I never thought I'd say that. That's cool. Thank you for that. Before we move on to the second chapter, the second half of the first chapter is a word from this video's sponsor, which is very relevant and very wonderful, Millernote. Millernote is a tool for organizing your creative projects. Yes, it all ties in. It allows you to gather and curate notes, images, videos, tasks, and more all in the one place, which makes projects so much easier, especially when starting, with over 100 built-in templates available for every type of creative project. When you're ready to share your work, you can invite your colleagues and clients to gather important feedback and collaborate with them in real time. But personally, I like to use Millernote for my top secret projects. Hence why the boards I'm showing you are placeholder boards, so we can show off all the cool stuff Millernote can do without giving away my top secret projects. It's great for storyboarding, which is my current aim, and I love how convenient and seamless the entire experience and curation is. There's so much more I plan on doing with Millernote, but again, top secret. If you're any kind of academic or creative, this is the tool for you. So luckily you can sign up for Millernote anytime with no time limits for free. You can sign up using the link in the description box and start your creative projects too. It looks so shiny. Okay. What are we doing? What are you doing? In preparation for the to-do list. The first night of the book tour. First night of the tour. I wonder if I can... Whoa, that's loud.
More sound driven.
This is Backstage. Welcome Backstage. This is a book on sun swallowing. There's no further explanation needed because this is just a recount of a very specific moment. This is a play on structure. It's Shakespeare's play. It's dark, it's bloody, it blurs supernatural with realism, it's witchy, it's morbid. I mean, it's tiny sounds, but, you know, valid. And I had the same with the book. The one that I'm reading tonight is Babylon from Intelligence. It's a UK brand. I don't know where that is. Me too. Yeah, just so like cozy and intimate. It was really good, guys. You did a good job. Sick, thanks. Love to hear it. Best one of them we've been to. Best one I've got it on camera. I've been to many other ones, but best one. Oh yeah, I'm a baby. I'm never coming to you again. No, I want to go. This is a note on reference. I suppose I believe in a God the way I believe in a father. I should probably abandon salvation, or capital G's, but I'm a sucker for punctuation, and old habits tend to die hard.
Girlhood is barefoot hot summer nights, sticky sweet with salted sweat. I was 15, so I really had to have a grudge to be able to recount it in such detail. The second part of this poem is my 15-year-old self exploring this, pulling it apart, and trying to comprehend what just happened. I'm going to read it for you because this is my exegesis to this poem.
Just texted me to say you finished as a kid. Already? So I said, I'll pick you up. It's 9:36. So, yeah. That's very good.
Wait, I gotta do a lip sync. You gotta get there. Oh my god, I gotta get up. Yes.
Was that elegant?
You look like a grasshopper.
It's me. I like to read and I talk about what I've read on YouTube, and I'm an idiot.
That's amazing. Show me what you got. My recommendation, which is ironic because I don't love that book, but I just can't relate to it, but you will because you're sad.
Outside my window is my audience as I let myself shed all my